My name is Nicole Sitaraman, and I am on the board of the local chapter, the DC chapter of the Sierra Club, and I also serve as co-chair of the Energy Committee. The Sierra Club, as many of you know, is the nation's oldest and largest environmental organization with more than 1.4 million members and supporters nationwide. The organization works to safeguard the health of our communities, protect wildlife, and preserve our wild spaces through grassroots activism, public education, lobbying, and litigation. The Sierra Club has had a lot of success with some of our major campaigns. Two of our major campaigns that we're most proud of are the Beyond Coal campaign and the Beyond Oil campaign, in which many staff and hundreds of volunteers nationwide have advocated for eliminating our nation's dependence on fossil fuels. But our goal is not only to rally against our dependence on fossil fuels, but it's also to advocate for the inclusion and incorporation of renewable energy into our nation's energy portfolio. And so, as part of our national Beyond Coal campaign, as well as our local and state-based initiatives, we've put significant resources into our clean energy programs. This summer, we launched the Wind Works campaign, which is a national effort to make sure that the production tax credit for renewable energy, specifically wind energy, is not put to bed at the end of this year, that it's renewed. This is a tax incentive which amounts to only 1/9 of the size of federal subsidies for oil, natural gas, and coal, which will help to support 75,000 American jobs in the wind industry. And I just want to kind of underscore that point, that one of, I think, the strongest arguments for renewable energy in our country is that it's a job creator, and we're facing a situation where a large number of people are unemployed, underemployed, and we really do see renewable energy as a source for just re-energizing our economy. I'm particularly proud of our local efforts surrounding renewable energy. My Energy Committee has been very active in DC to advance renewable energy and energy efficiency for our residents here. And one of the most kind of time-consuming initiatives that we've been involved in over the past year is we've been a leading voice on the advancement of a new piece of legislation called the DC Community Renewables Energy Act, which was introduced by the City Council, kind of urged by our group to expand access to renewable energy to more people. As many of you may have an understanding about, renewable energy for a number of years has been kind of a luxury reserved for those who are well off, who are homeowners, and not only that, but who are homeowners in sunny areas. So what this bill aims to do is to allow for people who rent, tenants, people who maybe live in a condo, or people who own a home in a shady area to be able to generate solar based electricity and not be excluded from doing that based on regulatory barriers. I won't get into kind of the technical details of that bill, but we really see it as an opportunity to really make renewable energy accessible to all people. And unless we do that, we really won't be able to, as a nation, really put a dent into our carbon footprint. So another example of our work, and I'm sorry that I'm going a little bit over time, but we, as Polly mentioned, we partnered with Sungevity to just make it a little bit easier for people to generate solar electricity on our national level. Sungevity offers residential rooftop solar to Americans around the country, and they've developed a number of innovative approaches to rooftop solar, including leasing, which means basically that customers, they can put little or no money down, and Sungevity will handle the maintenance, all of the legal work, and the monitoring of the panels, and they will, customers would be able to get a reduction on their monthly electricity bills. And also, it's been great because there's an incentive for Sierra Club members in that there's kind of a cash, not prize, but you receive a certain amount of money if you enroll other people in the program. So we've seen a lot of success with this program so far. A lot of people have signed up for it, and we're very excited about it. And once again, I just want to thank you all for listening and for inviting us here. And we're excited about all of the many things that we're working on locally and nationally. Thank you.